Well, when we investigate a commercial vehicle accident, such as for a tractor-trailer accident or a bus accident, we take detailed information from one of the family members that can give us information about the person and where it happened. We immediately hire an accident reconstructionist, we hire an investigator, and I personally go to the scene where the accident took place. Why do we go to the scene? Because by viewing the scene, you can actually see in non-conceptual terms what the area looked like, if there's a debris field, if there's security cameras in the area. Our investigators will scour the area for any witnesses, talk to the investigating police officers. Many times, if there's a death involved in a case, the police investigation report will not become readily available. So you need to get your own investigation as quickly as possible before the police report is released. In addition to talking to investigators, if we get information on the other driver, we do our own background check. We do background checks, criminal checks, driver's license checks, and we determine whether or not the vehicle or the driver that was driving that vehicle had a suspended driver's license. This all helps in reconstructing the accident. If a commercial vehicle is involved with a bus or a tractor-trailer, we also send out what we call a spoliation letter. It's a letter to the trucking company or to the bus company, to the owners and to the drivers to preserve certain records, electronic data recordings from the truck, in addition to the driver's file, pre-employment file, medical testing, road testing, renewal, driver's logs, all information contained to determine the background of the driver and also the maintenance of the tractor and the trailer. So there's many kind of accidents. Accidents happen all the time. They happen in different ways for different reasons. And therefore, we need to customize where we're going right from the beginning on doing our initial investigation. What we want to do is find out why the accident happened, how the accident happened, and whether the accident could have been preventable.